Now we will do design and detailing of matte foundation. Open the same drawing SATHYSTONIN5.JSW in NirtsCAD. Make the beams layer off and foot layer on. Go to 3D view and you will see only the columns and outer dimension of matte foundation. Using XData command, see the size of footing and soil pressure. The size is almost touching outer columns and soil pressure is 59.64. We can adopt as 60 kN per square meter. Now we will make the layer foot off. From structural panel, select beam. Change the layer name as raft beam. Width of beam as 600 and depth of beam as 1200. Pick start point as bottom left column top end point with object snap on and end point as bottom right column top point. Edit start Z and end Z as 0. Then tick matte pressure up and tick split by columns. Then click on place beam. You will see the individual beams connecting columns drawn at bottom of the columns. You can follow the same method for drawing all matte beams with matte pressure up on. Like this, I created all matte beams and you can see the zoom all view. Now make the layer column off. Save this drawing as IFN. Now we will create matte slabs by adopting split by boundary beams and matte pressure up on for slabs. Click on slab in structural panel. Edit the live load as 60 and floor finish and light partition as 0. Tick the matte soil pressure up. Edit the layer name as raft slab, slab number as 1 and tick the split by boundary beams. Pick 4 corners of the building from lower left corner in counterclockwise direction. Then click same Z for all corners and edit Z value as 0. Click on slab reinforcement. For slab parameters, you can change depth of slab as 350 and cover as 35 and then press enter. You will see all matte slabs are drawn. You can see the slab numbers also. You can make the raft beam layer off and see the slabs in cyan color. Now keep the layers raft slab, raft beam on. Then run beam load command from CAD Max menu. For select objects, select all and press enter. For you want start file, press N. Now slab loads are transferred to beams. Now make the raft slab layer off. Then run Analyze command from CAD Max menu. For select objects, select all and press enter. Now the beams are analyzed. Then run Design beams from CAD Max menu. For elevation filter, you can give lower Z as 0 and upper Z as 2. For select objects, select all. For design parameters, edit required parameters, steel as 550 and cover as 40, and then click Design beams. Now all the matte beams are designed. Now let us make detailing of matte beams. Make the layer column, grid line on. Go to 2D top view. Now select beam depth from CAD Max menu. For elevation filter, you can specify lower Z as 0 and upper Z as 2. For select objects, select beams along a single line. Then pick the insertion point outside the structure. The matte beam details are drawn. You zoom and pan the detailed drawing. I adopt the same procedure to draw detailing other beams. You can zoom and pan to see the details also. You can see the reinforcement details are reversed as maximum mid-span moment will be towards upwards and corresponding reinforcement is provided. Number of legace of stirrups also drawn correctly. To draw matte slab details, make the layer matte beamed, column layer off and make the matte slab layer on. From CAD Max menu, select Slabbed it, and for elevation filter, edit lower Z as 0 and upper Z as 2. For select objects, select all slabs and press enter. You will see the matte slab detailing is drawn. See the details with zoom window and pan commands. You will see slab details with a mention of top in midspan as soil pressure make the slab upward bending. You can save the drawing. I explained matte foundation design made simple in NirtsCAD. You can use this for day-to-day design purpose. Thank you.